Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the device ready. Plug it in if needed and confirm battery is at least 50%. Next, back up critical data to your cloud account or a local drive so you can restore if something goes wrong. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and disable VPN or battery-saving modes because they can interrupt downloads. Now open Settings and go straight to System Updates. You're ready to check for the latest Android build and start the download. You tap Check for Updates and read the release notes so you know what changes and why they matter. If an update is available, tap Download and watch storage and Wi-Fi. Make sure you have enough free space and a steady connection. While downloading, avoid heavy network use. When download completes, select Install. Your phone will restart to apply the update. During installation, it may reboot several times, which is normal. Let it finish without powering down or interrupting the process. You finish by confirming the new Android version in Settings and quickly open core apps to ensure they run properly. Clear app caches if needed. If the update stalls or fails, try clearing system cache, freeing storage space, then retry the install. Restart into safe mode to rule out third-party conflicts. Make sure backups are current before more drastic steps. If problems persist after those attempts, perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that restores system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.